Hello everybody, my name is James Joshua Msuya and I'm going to present to you a conversation agent chatbot project which is based in deep learning. Chatbots are gaining more popularity than ever and they are totally bringing new ways of how business run marketing. They have changed the way people can carry conversation with machines. In this era where average human patience is lower than ever, customers need fast responses to their questions and they want them not to sound robotic. There are existing solutions to this problem, some of them being using rule-based chatbots, but in recent years with evolution of deep learning, new methods of implementing chatbots have surfaced. The aim of this project is to develop a goal-oriented conversation agent for business, case study, and tech support. Using deep learning, we are going to employ intent classification to classify a cluster of texts with intents into a given labels, then use those labels to train a model that can carry conversation with a person. So in the highest level of abstraction, a conversation agent can be modeled as this. We have the input from the user, then you have neural network processes, NLP processes, then you have the response. And the pipeline of our project is like this. So we have the user, we have messaging platform, then we have the brain of the chatbot, which consists of NLP processes, and those NLP processes, they can be intent classification or entity extraction. Then based on those intents and entities, you perform some action, which can be like human intervention, calling the tech support guys, or sending some replies, or providing anything that is necessary based on that action. So in our project, we had two types of data for intent classification. We had frequent asked questions, and we had test data which contains 10 levels. So we're going to show you in action how our project works. So we had a server which contains the model, and we're going to send the request using Postman. So in our body, it contains a message with the text which is to be classified. So example here we have this text which is credile araba arajam. If we send a request, we get this as a response araba arajam with a confidence score of 99. So let's change to another sentence. So we get a confidence of this one, and the reply is this label. So it's categorized as this label. So also you get confidence score and this one. And this one is for those data set which contains 10 different intents. So what if we try to, for the other label, also we get confidence score of this one and this one. And for this one, because it was a frequency asked question, the data was having a lot of labels, so we get very low confidence scores. And in order to improve this one, we use nearest neighbors in order to find we represent the data set as vectors, then the input becomes one of the vectors. Then we try to find the vector inside the database that has lowest, that is most near to the input vectors. And then we can try and summarize and predict that, okay, this is the one which is most near to that one, then the intent will be this one. And that's it. Thank you very much for listening.